What are you doing, Booger?
But the little boo-boos are history. You hear me? History.
Oh, poor Bella, stop doing that. It's not cute.
You seriously sat with my back to the window so we
Oh, not cute.
And you're seeing it at a weird time, so it probably lasts to people left.
What are you doing? Say hi.
I can be funny. Yeah, but you said it like I know already.
What are you doing, Puddinhead?
This is my room.
Huh?
Alright, you've been here before.
Are you done talking to me?
Dean, how is it that you can
What are you doing?
be out like this here? With me, or with anyone for that matter. Where does Lindsay think you are?
She thinks I'm out.
Out where? What's going on with you?
Say bye-bye. Say
What
bye-bye.
are you doing here?
I need to talk to you.
Are you waving?
I need to talk to you.
What are you doing here?
Rory, please. Rory.
Now you're gonna squeak?
Go home.
No.
Uh-oh, we got
Yes,
hiccups.
You know,
Okay, no be sad. Don't fake it. You little faker.